everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and I'm excited to offer you our upcoming Halloween special. It is scary exciting, scary in a good way. We're offering our Spooky Nights sale, and in that sale, you get to take advantage of getting an awesome combo. If you purchase one of our best-selling Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kits, you can choose either the black, bronze, or silver. You can choose whatever size best fits your property. If you order one of those, we are going to give you a free 400 series Patriotic solar light. That's 400 lumens. This is such a popular item. Our solar lights are a big seller for our small family business because not only are they a quality solar light, they come with a great warranty, but you have the beauty and ease of letting the sun do all the work. You don't have to hook up electricity. You can just go ahead and install it at the top of your flagpole. It takes about 30 seconds to get it up there. Make sure it's in the on position, and it'll keep Old Glory lit throughout the evening so you as a patriot can honor flag etiquette. So that's our Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole Kit and a 400 series solar light. This is a $160 value that we're giving you for free with the purchase of a Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole Kit. In addition, we're going to go ahead and offer you free shipping. So that's a minimum savings of about $60 on top of the $160 solar light. So we encourage you guys to go ahead and take advantage of this. The discount code is SPOOKYNIGHTS, and you got to put the flagpole kit you want in your cart. You've got to put your 400 series solar light in your cart, and then you enter that discount code, and it'll take off the solar light for you, and you're also going to see free shipping. So thank you so much for taking advantage. Go ahead and forward this email or send this message to a friend. This is the perfect time if you've got a friend who's been waiting to get a Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole Kit. It is a specific time frame. You're going to go ahead and check out AtlanticFlagpole.com and take advantage today.